Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna be playing Fall Guys. Nigger. Let's get into this. Okay, that's the next one. That's the solo. Let's see. Come on, guys. Let's get into this. Okay, guys, and if I die, I'll pour syrup on my head. Okay, if I die, I pour syrup on my head. Guys, guess what's wrong? Guess what's weird that just happened? My TikTok account, like literally, I can't get into my TikTok account. TikTok, come on, help me out, help a brother out. It's because I'm black. Cause I know y'all guys are racist. Like, I know this is June 15th, and y'all guys being like racist. Okay, come on, guys. Let's do this. Guys, the match is starting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, guys, I literally just cut up my Fortnite. Okay, come on. I'm not even playing fucking Fortnite. What the fuck? Let's get into the match. Hold on. Let's get into the match. Everybody sound black guy here with the 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 shot. Oh, I killed that whole lamb. No rod. I'm just kidding. I don't gang. Yeah, I'm not gang. So let's get into this game. Come on, get into this game. Why is it taking so long? Here we go. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay. Oh yeah. That's easy. Oh yeah. Look at these guys. These guys are literally giving me a free head. Oh my god. These guys literally give me a free head. Yes, sir. Oh my god, this guy must be hacking or something. How did he know everyone? What the heck? Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, I suck. Okay, come on. Let me grab one of these motherfuckers. Alright. Yeah! I'm so good at this game. I'm so good at this game. I shot a boy with no aim. I got a boy with a tank. I got a Glock with a tank. I'm in the I'll be fixing the thing. I'm at a Rari in the game. Oh my god, I hit that. W vocals. I got a Glock and a Huddle and vocal. I got a. Okay, come on, let's get into the game. This thing hold up. Come on. Blow it up. Got a little Glock. We go hold up. Hold up. Stop them in this. Out up. Stop it up in this. Out up. Two. What? So. This one's actually a double. Oh my god. Okay. It was actually kind of a W. It's not a W. All you have to do is just not go the opposite way. What about so W? Oh my god. Let's go. Oh, you stupid ball. Like, I know you guys like balls, but I didn't know you guys love them. Oh yeah. We in there. Oh my god, we in there. Yes, sir. We lit. We lit. We is lit. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh my boy. Oh my. Okay. No. Wow. Okay. Oh yeah. Look, that's easy. It's easy. What's that? What else? Ain't nobody gonna Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. I got a Glock with a day. I got a boy in his face. I got a buy one in face. I ain't got to pay. Ain't even got to pay. I'm gonna go in a day. I got a good in the face. Okay. And the gang. I got a boy right in his brain. I'm gonna Timothy. I'm gonna lemonade. Hey. I'm gonna send them it da. I'm gonna get them it da. I'm gonna da. I'm gonna leave it da. I'm gonna get it da. I'm gonna get I always just the car. I don't need to get pop. I got a top. I got a limited top. I just big give me top. On a gang. I got a boy in his brain. Fun and no tank. I got a tank. I got a limited gang. I got a limited gang. Hey. I told a nigga to ain't. I got a limited ain't. I got a bank. I got a look in the bank. I got a limited tank. I got a gang. I told a boy in his brain. Fucking nigga no tank. I got a tank. I was in this bank. I'm gonna get to this tank. Oh my god. I'm so good at rapping. I don't know how to play this though. Oh. What the? Oh my god. Oh my god. You know, oh shit. Oh my god. Yo! Nah, they tripping. They tripping. Oh my god. They tripping around here. Come on. Die. Faster. Oh yeah, okay. Oh wow, yeah. Oh yeah. One more. Two more people. One more. Oh yeah, that's easy. Oh yeah. Qualified. Okay. I gotta show my gang. I told the body at the back. I'm the shit never die. I gotta shit never gang. All the little boys in the bank. All the little boy in the bank. I little boy in the bank. I gotta show me the gang. I wanna gang. I'm gonna shoot his brain. I'm gonna give him the tank. I'm gonna tank. I wanna get in the lane. I'm gonna switch in the lane. I'm gonna gang. I'm gonna get in the tank. Alright. I wanna switch in the lane. I wanna bang. I wanna shoot his brain. I wanna get in the tank. This is my favorite map right here. Hey, I wanna get in the tank. This is my favorite map. I ain't black. I ain't no black. I'm black. And I'm black in the back. I'm smoking in the pack. I'm smoking pack. I'm sitting with the back. I'm sitting with a cat. I'm the cat. I'm sitting with the back. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh look at this guy. Hey. Okay. Hey. Oh, only 6 units get eliminated. Hey, let's look at this. Look at that. Oh, too bad. Oh, let me grab it. Oh, let me go grab it. Oh yeah. Let me go grab this person. Oh my god, no! No! No, not gonna put a curve on my head. Alright, so I'm gonna do as promised. Let's see. Oh, but there you go.